Let's say you started to trade in meme coins and you're completely lost. You don't know what tool to use, how to buy tokens, anything, but you want to make money. You see everybody talking about the official Trump token, which got to $15 billion in market cap. And if you go to the top traders tab, you're gonna see people who made millions and you're panicking. You don't know what to do to catch the next runner. And then Melania launches her token, which once again got to $2 billion market cap. And same thing, people made millions of dollars. And you're wondering, what am I doing wrong? Well, you're not doing anything wrong. You're just using the right tools. That's why in today's video, we're going to be covering Autosnipe.ai, which is a very powerful tool that most people doesn't know about. And we're going to go step by step reviewing each feature. To do so, we're going to be starting with the homepage, which is very nice to see. And as you can see, guys, you have two navbars, one on the top and one on the left. But the most important thing is this trading chart, when you're going to see all the traded tokens along with how long ago were they created, liquidity, market cap, transactions, volume, and audits, which are things that we're going to see later on. The most important part about Autosnipe.ai is that it's artificial intelligence powered. You might be wondering how, mainly on the scams. As you can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit and you're going to see that you have two types of auto filters, which are hide drugs and hide scams. These ones are powered once again by AI, and I really encourage you to always tick these options whenever you can. So with that being said, let's start with the first tab, which is meme vision. As you can see, this might sound very familiar because we have three type of tokens: the one that are just created, the one that are about to graduate, and the ones who are already graduated, which means that they are already bonded. This feature is very useful if you want to be trenching or live trading or even doing some scalps. Why? Because here it's where you're gonna catch the next runner. Remember, whenever you buy a token on Pump Fund and it bonds, it's when you're gonna make the most profits. To do so, Autosnipe helps you with some unique features, like for example, for each token, it's gonna show you tons of data. Taking this one, for example, we're gonna see that it's 96 of the bonding curve completed. How many snipers does it have? It also marks this token as a highly RUG. Volume, market cap, liquidity, transactions, how many percentage is held by the top holders, and how many holders we have in total. Aside from that, you can also set filters. So for example, you can filter by audit checks, like for example, mint authority disabled, freeze authority disabled as well, liquidity pool burned. Personally, as a note, I will always recommend you to have these checked, and as well as the hide rugs and scams. If you do that, you're gonna see that no token is marked again with rug or scam. Lastly, we have the overall settings, which are mainly for insta buys, like for example, the slippage, priority fee, MEF protection, which you should enable if your trading size it's above 1 Solana approximately. And you also have the bribery amount, which means the tip you are able to give on top of your transaction value to make it execute faster. The higher the tip, the faster your transaction will go through. One thing that Autosnipe.ai has and no other bot has, it's the AI-based priority fees, which can be AI bullet, AI optimized, or statical values. Me personally, I recommend you to use AI bullet, which is going to determine the priority fees based on market conditions. So let's say you're trading a highly volatile token and you want to get in ASAP. If you put AI bullet, Autosnipe.ai will take care of the safe amount. Moving on to the next feature, it's the trader lens. I'm pretty sure that if you are into trading or copy trading, you have to use third-party platforms to analyze a wallet. Well, in this case, Autosnipe has its own wallet analyzer. All you have to do is come here, paste the wallet address, wait for a little bit because it takes some time, and once it's done, you're gonna click on view analysis and you will be displayed with a bunch of useful information, and all this is free. You can do as many wallet scans as you want. For example, this wallet, you can see the current balance, total asset values, total PNL, win rate, realized gains, unrealized gains, and many more things. How many 2x's did it have? How many 50% sales did it have? And a shit ton of useful information that I really encourage you to use. As you can see, Autosnipe it's a very complete tool that most people doesn't even know about. So if you want to have an edge over other traders, you should definitely consider using it. I would like you to quickly invite you to the Telegram group chat, which is going to be the first link in your description, where we share a lot of insights. For example, we share wallets, we share videos, we share tools, and many, many more things that are going to take you as a beginner to a professional trader. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single penny. So feel free to join. First link in the description. Moving on, we have the Autosnipe feature, which once again, it's a unique feature that only this platform has, and it's mainly auto trading. What this is about, it's searching for tokens that have common characteristics, depositing SOL, and the bot would take care of yourself. In this case, we have low risk new tokens, top 24 hours trading tokens, higher risk and higher rewards tokens, and so on. What we're gonna do is check, for example, how does each profile work. In this case, we're gonna be having a deeper look at the lower risk new tokens. Therefore, Autosnipe will auto trade tokens that match this criteria, like it's on Radium, migrated from any platform, which most of the cases will be pump fund. The token has at least 50 Solanas in liquidity, which is $10,000 almost. It's on the top 100 rank. Liquidity pool, it's almost burned. Top holders do not have more or 40% holdings, and has this security checks in place, like mint authority disabled, freeze authority disabled as well, avoid scam tokens, which is AI based, and have socials available. Let's say you want to automatically trade them. All you have to do is come in here, put how much SOL do you want to invest, for example 2 Solanas per order, per token. Let's say it's going to be with 0.1 Solana, and I set up a stop loss trigger at 50%. Expiry, you can set it whenever you want. For example, let's say it in 1 day. Priority fees, we're going to leave them on AI bullet. Auto sell profiles, let's say I want to take the whole position, so I will sell 100% of my position whenever I reach a 100% profit, which means a 2x. If I click activate now, the bot will start working. We'll start scouting for new tokens that match this criteria, and we'll trade them automatically. This is a great tool if you want to trade while you are away from your computer, so you don't have to be staring at the screen 24/7. As we have seen, Autosnipe has its own wallet analyzer, but also has the wallet copy trader. All you have to do is come in here, paste the wallet address, configure the bot, and that's it. You're gonna start copy trading this wallet address. To do so, you have to set up some parameters. For example, how do you want to copy this address? Buy with a fixed amount or buy with a percentage of its actual trade. So for example, let's say this wallet usually buys with, I don't know, 5 Solanas, right? So if you put 50%, you'll be buying with 2.5 Solanas. And let's put, I want to maximum allocate 5 Solanas to this wallet address, which means that if my overall trading costs surpasses 5 Solana, it will stop copy trading this wallet. Coins platform, we can be Radium or Pump Fund. This is your choice. Stop loss triggers, which for example, let's say at a 50% loss, I want to sell my entire position. We again have the auto take profits profile. So I'm going to set up again, I want to sell my entire position at a 2x. And we also have some advanced settings like the minimum threshold for buy trades. So for example, let's say whenever this wallet buys below 1 Solana, the token, it's usually a rug. So if I put 1, if this wallet buys below this threshold, my trade will not execute. How much do we want to buy per token? Let's put 1 once again. Priority fees, which we're going to keep on AI bullet. And lastly, we're going to have the Barbary amount, which it's set up automatically by AI bullet priority fee. As you can see, pretty easy to get it running. And when you click activate copy trading, you're going to see that the bot will start listening to this wallet address and copy every token he buys as long as it matches this criteria. Getting back to the homepage, I would like to disclose a feature that many people doesn't even talk about, and it's the trading itself. If you click on any token, you're going to be presented with an awesome UI and a lot of information in case you want to manually trade a token. In the top bar, you're going to see like some socials, website, X account, Telegram link, view index screener, Bird Eye, which is another trading and analyzing tool, view on pump fund, and lastly the audit checks, which is gonna pay attention to the mint and freeze authorities, and as well as the liquidity pool being burned. Quick note, remember that any pump fund token is gonna have them disabled and the liquidity pool totally burned. Aside from that, you're gonna have more token related data like liquidity, volume, market cap, token supply. Obviously, you have the trading interface so you can buy and sell tokens. and as well as the volume makers and many more things. One last thing that I want to mention is that Autosnipe lets you execute limit orders for always buys and sells, which means that you can set up, let's say, one Solana, right? Which I don't have right now. This is a demo account. I want to buy Chloe by market cap whenever it reaches minus 10%. So right now it's a 1.4 million market cap. So if it drops almost 10%, which would be around 1.27 million, right? My auto buy will trigger. And this is very useful whenever you want to automatically buy dips without staring at your screen 24/7. You can do also by price in Solana, price in USDT, and many more things. Aside from that, you again have the advanced settings, which is gonna allow you to change your slippage settings, MEF protections, which I recommend you once again to have enabled, priority fees, and bribery amount. So that's what I have for this video, guys. As you have seen, Autosnipe.ai, it's a very powerful and complete tool that many people doesn't even know about, but at the end of the day, it's all about discovering these edge-breaking tools that are going to allow you to be more profitable than other traders, mainly because it has all you need to trade. Meme Vision, Trader Lens, which you can analyze wallet, AI Snipers, which is automatically going to trade for you, and you also have the copy trading feature, which is again going to allow you to make money while you are away from your computer. So you don't have to be LARPing at the screen all day. So with that being said, hope you guys found this tool useful. If so, feel free to use it. You're going to have the link in the description, and see you on the next one.